India, there is no evidence of community transmission as of yet. There has been a major effort in terms of taking the required preventive steps, ensuring cluster containment strategies are put in place so that community transmission do not take place. And this is a very conscious and sincere effort being done by government. With respect to the airlines which you mentioned, let me highlight that these guidelines, the temporary restrictions which are there, they will be in place from midnight falling between 21st and 22nd March.
152.
Sir, what is the
Use mic, please.
what is the latest figure of casualties due to COVID-19, and is there any possibility of community transmission due to COVID-19?
See, the conscious effort of government in collaboration again with community has always been to see that case number does not increase. With respect to ensuring that if we have even some cases, travel related cases linked with some immediate family members and contact they've infected, we have been able to trace all of them. All these people get traced, they get monitored. There is no community transmission in this country as on today. And we expect to really work hard, take support of community at large to ensure that we remain that way. I'll also, just to bring to your kind notice, we had one more death reported, total 4 deaths reported as on today. The issue in this case also has been that this person was an elderly person having comorbid conditions of diabetes and cardiac patient also, as well as he was a hypertensive. So this was the 4th reported death case which has been reported today.
31.
Sir, my question is that ICMR and Health Ministry have already said that we are engaging with private labs on testing. When will the private labs begin testing? What is taking them longer? And what will be the test modality? ICMR has made it clear that they should offer it free of cost.
So we have already started working and discussing with private sector how we can engage with them in terms of taking testing. See, it is important to understand that Government of India will provide the required protocol, the framework within which, so that the quality can be assured, private sector should do the testing. We have been requesting private sector to get all the required probes, required testing reagents, and work in collaboration with Government of India to take up the testing across the country.
Number 5. Please just let it be completed and then.
So
Number
my
5.
question is about the patient from Tamil Nadu who's travelled from Delhi, which the Tamil Nadu Health Minister said is the first community transmission. And secondly, how do we ensure the people that who are supposed to home quarantine remain in the home, because we had passengers travelling in the train and leading to a lot of chaos.
Let me kindly correct you, there is no question of community transmission in this country. You know, these words unnecessarily create scare in the mind of people. There is no community transmission. Even if a positive case gets found, there are properly defined strategies, approaches in place in terms of identifying contact of such person and ensuring that those people get traced and they are advised appropriately as per the protocol which needs to be followed. Second, I would like to, through you again, request to all the citizens that government is primarily focused on taking preventive steps. The idea here is that we take support of community, we take required steps so that the transmission does not get extended, larger people do not get infected. To bring it to your kind notice, the decisions taken by group of ministers today, primarily focusing on social distancing, is an effort in that direction.
19.
Hello, my question is both to Mr. Ravi and Mr. Agarwal. This is regarding the infected people by COVID in other countries. Yesterday, the ministries declared that there were 276 of them. I'd like to know if there are any deaths of stranded Indians that we are getting statistics of. Secondly, when we are evacuating from Iran, what will be our modality for evacuations of infected patients, because they may not be receiving proper healthcare there. As also, sir, I'd like to understand if families have been separated, because they were saying that please don't separate us from our families, we are senior citizens. So if families are being broken.
Yeah, I think, this is definitely a challenge we have faced, experienced in Iran, in terms of close-knit families, some who have tested negative, some who have tested positive, and being able to separate. But I think to a large extent we've been successful. It required a lot of persuasion, The ambassador and the mission have been with them, constantly explaining the consequences of the spread of this disease to the dear ones. To that extent, now it seems that segregation has happened. The more positive cases that are there, Indians in Iran, they have now been well taken care in a hospital kind of environment. We are hopeful that with the support and cooperation of the government of Iran, we should see their recovery faster. There was one death reported, and I think this was also of an elderly man who died. But we are looking at a recovery phase of our Indians there, and the current situation seems to be quite satisfactory in the way they are being attended to.
174.
लव सर, आपके लिए सवाल है कि पहला तो कि प्राइवेट लैब्स को क्या आप लोग इन्वॉल्व कर रहे हैं, कब से शुरू होगा? दूसरा ये कि जो आप मेजर्स बता रहे हैं, क्यों ना माना जाए कि ये एक पार्शियल लॉकडाउन की तरफ हम जा रहे हैं? हिंदी में बताइएगा सर प्लीज।
देखिए, जहाँ तक प्राइवेट लैब के विषय में मैंने आप सबको पहले ही बताया है, हम लोग प्राइवेट लैब के साथ मिलकर काम करना शुरू कर चुके हैं, प्रोसेसेस स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं। हमने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि आप सफिशिएंट प्रोब्स, रीजेंट जो कि रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल है वो काइंडली ऑर्गेनाइज करें। हम आपको रिक्वायर्ड सपोर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव कंट्रोल जो ICMR के थ्रू दिए जाएंगे, हम उसको देने के लिए रेडी हैं। तो ये कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट, ये डिस्कशन चल रहा है। कब से हम शुरू कर पाएंगे? मेरी रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि जैसे ही प्राइवेट लैब रेडी होती हैं, गवर्नमेंट इज मोर देन विलिंग टू टेक देयर सपोर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ गोइंग अहेड। ठीक है ना, हम उनके साथ काम करने के लिए तैयार हैं। दूसरा क्वेश्चन आपने क्या पूछा था? मैंने आपको जैसे पहले हाईलाइट किया था, देखिए लॉकडाउन एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही इनअप्रोप्रिएट वर्ड होगा आज के समय में कहना। आज हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि सरकार के शुरू के दिन से एफर्ट ये रहे हैं कि जैसे जैसे सिचुएशन बाहर इवॉल्व हो रही है दूसरे देशों में या हमारे देश में इवॉल्व हो रही है, क्या सरकार उसके लिए तैयार है? तो उसकी तैयारी के भाग के रूप में ही, जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि जब चाइना ने पहला केस बताया था कि जो कि 7 जनवरी में कि एक नोवल कोरोना वायरस है, हमारा टेक्निकल ग्रुप 8 तारीख को ही बैठ गया था। जबकि WHO ने 31 तारीख को उन्होंने उसको अनाउंस किया कि पब्लिक हेल्थ इमरजेंसी ऑफ इंटरनेशनल कंसर्न है। उसके लिए हमने 16, 17 तारीख, 18 तारीख से ही वो सारे प्रयास शुरू कर दिए थे जो कि देश को करने चाहिए। ये इसलिए जरूरी है क्योंकि हम एक इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज से डील कर रहे हैं, और हमारे लिए जब हम इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज से डील कर रहे हैं तो टू अर्न ऑन द साइड ऑफ कॉशन, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट करना, वो हम लोग को डेफिनेटली फायदा देगा, समाज को फायदा देगा। इसीलिए जितने सारे स्टेप्स हैं ये कम्युनिटी को इन्वॉल्व करने के लिए हैं, कम्युनिटी को साथ ले जाने के लिए हैं। आज हम ये जो स्टेप्स आपको सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं, तो ये एक चेंज ऑफ प्रैक्टिस की तरफ है, क्योंकि हम लोग जिस ढंग से आज आपस में इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, उससे थोड़ा हम डिस्टेंस रख के कर लेंगे तो डिजीज स्प्रेड नहीं होगी। तो नन ऑफ दीज आर रिलेटेड विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द वर्ड यू यूज। आई वुड रादर से कि जितने भी एफर्ट हैं, ये एफर्ट है कि आप कैसे कम्युनिटी को साथ लेके चलते हुए कि इन्फेक्शियस डिजीज को मैनेज करेंगे।